Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download and install MOJ application on your Android or iOS device. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open Google Play Store or App Store. Now go to the bottom center of the screen at the bottom and tap on search. In the search bar, type in MOJ and search. Look for the MOJ Short Drama and Reels application from ShareChat and tap on install. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. MOJ is a popular short video app that lets you create and watch videos. Whether you are using an Android or iOS, downloading it is simple. Once it is done, tap on Open to launch open the app on your device, and there you have successfully downloaded and installed MOJ application on your Android or iOS. Select your preferred language on the next page, and there you go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.